What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yup, it's my long Tane, and I have Big Boy and Turkey and Angry Bird here with me. Today's issue is the hood on this Benz. It won't open. I mean, it'll unlatch the left side, which is the driver's side, but the cable on the passenger side or the right side seemed to came off the little hook thing. So what we're doing is we're going to open up this hood. Now there's a lot of videos out there that's real good and very educational, but I just really want to show y'all how this is done, okay? Because I don't want y'all thinking it's gonna be something quick and fast. You know what I mean? It's quick and fast, but you got to do it this way, shall I say. Alright, so let's go over here to the passenger side of the front of the vehicle. Okay, let me turn on this light. Alright, first off, you'll have your cover right here. I have one for this one, just never bothered to put it on. I'm lazy sometimes, you know what I mean? But anyway, you have a 10mm fastener, which is a nut right here. And let me get under here right quick so I can show y'all this live and direct. Okie dokie. And you have another one that goes right there. If you don't know where I'm pointing at, let me point at it. You have another one right here. Okay, and all that is a plastic nut fastener. It's a 10mm, look like that, okay? And the other one is right here. Alright, now if you happen to have your front cover, of course you'll have this to remove right here, that one, and of course your bottom fasteners, okay? But back to this splash guard, you got a fastener up here that needs to come off. Once you get all that off and remove, you can pretty much manipulate this and move it out of the way, okay? But since your hood is stuck shut, on some of the videos they're showing you, the headlight somehow they managed to remove it, or it's already been removed, okay? Ours is still on there, and your target is actually, get down over here, Turkey. Get down with me right quick. Need some extra light for the people. Y'all be patient with us, y'all. Yeah, just hold the light. Just like right there. Okie dokie. Okay, I hope the camera didn't get too messed up. Right there. Okay, everybody. As you can see, right there, where the tip of my finger is the actual latch. Okay, so let me tell Big Boy to pull this cable and first give me my pry bar. The medium one. There we go. I got this medium length pry bar. Go ahead, Big Boy. You know how to bust the hood open, right? Big Boy. Pop it open. Okay, now I want you to give me the big long pry bar, please. Okay, everybody. we repositioned a little bit. Hopefully this is a little shaky, but hopefully it's a better view. Okay, so we have our pry bar. This is our latch. As you can see, the cable is right there. And we just want to try to push this open like so. All I did basically is put the lip of my pry bar on it. Big boy, get this. And push it towards the passenger side with the hand, push the handle towards the passenger side, and it opened up for me. All right. So we actually ended up going between the radiator hose right here to access it, so you get away not having to remove all those fasteners and nuts for the splash guard. I'm gonna have the boys put all that back. Let's go to the top, y'all. All right, let's open it. Here we go, and let's assess this issue. We're going to need two 10 millimeters so I can get underneath this cable right quick. All right, got me a little 10 millimeter here. Man. There we go. And here is our issue right here with this cable. Basically, it came out from underneath it. Can you get right here? So this actually came out. You just put it back right there. I don't know if y'all saw that. This right here just slips out. It slipped out like so. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And just slide it back off. And just slide it back off in there. Maybe it's about that time for this bad boy to get a brand new cable. So we'll be working on that soon. But for now, we will be testing it to make sure it functions properly. I will be putting some lithium grease on here. Some lithium grease will be sprayed on here, okay? Here we go. Go to this other side right here. Go ahead and give it a little friendly bath, okay? And we're not going to stop there. We're going up here towards the latch. There it is. And we'll just go ahead and wipe all the excess that needs to be wiped down. Let's go ahead and check this right quick to make sure it opens and closes. It closed. We'll open it up right quick. There it is, y'all. That's how we fix our hood latch on the passenger door. As you can see, it's still fastened on there, okay? Let me see, right here. Alright, y'all. So there it is. If you need that latch, here is a part number. Alright, y'all. Let's shut this bad boy down. There it is. So remember, you can
fix it too.
On that note, peace.